Hello, in this video of changes occurring all over the world, which are affecting us also, and what we should do about it. The changes occurring are that there is a complete difference in the world we see. We should be prepared for that. What are the changes? Because the world we see outside is limited now. That is, our houses, workplaces, a limited number of shops. And for those who are cultivating land, for their land, the transport facilities, mostly private vehicles. This is what is going to happen. So, what is going to happen is we are all over the world, we are just moving towards more cleanliness, more health, and this is what's going to happen. So, why this occurring? Because before something occurs, I feel something, this is not right. And after some years or some time, that disappears. Because those things which, according to me, in my experience, which I feel not right, slowly disappears. What I felt was in the previous 60 years, we in India were having one idea in mind, that everybody should live together without much discomfort, and life should be smooth. But actually what happened was, when I was a young man, about 25 years, my education system taught me this, or the history, Indian history, world history, all these things I studied in social studies. So there is the world according to us is what some books say, some teachers teach us, we see in films, and we see in outside world. But you see, all these things are creating an idea of the world in each one's mind. So they work according to these ideas. The world is like that, the world was like that. There were several kings, and this was what world, our idea of the world. So we lived about 25 years according to that idea. We should be living in harmony with others. So you see, that was a collective thinking, the large education that is given to the young people. We will decide the life of the country and the people for about 25 years. If you teach someone about 25 years, this is what you are expected to do, what you are expected to create outside, work for, live, etc. That will come as their lives. So we lived so many years like that, and after some time, you see, it just seemed not possible anymore. Because someone said each individual, human beings and nations, actual life is for 50 years. Then if you want to live more, you have to recreate. For recreating individual lives, you have to be healthy. After 50, you have to be completely healthy, just like you are in 25. Then only you can create again a second life or a rebirth, you can say. So, this is a moment of actual correct time for creating a new life, a new earth, or a new world. So, you see, each one is a creator in his own life, in his own world, creates his own world according to his thoughts and beliefs. Some others, as I myself was thinking previously, nobody told me anything else, that I was reacting according to circumstances. That's the only way to go on living. But I had some ideas about my own purposes, my own necessities, and I worked towards it. But there is a large measure, each one, or I think those who have developed themselves, committed and spent time energy for that, will have an opportunity to create their own lives if they want. They are healthy enough to live. They feel their lives will be pleasurable. There is a prolonged. They should be healthy, and all the facilities should be working perfectly. I don't tell that every organ should be perfect. But without every organ, one can go on and create a good life if the other faculties are good. So, that's a personal creation of personal lives. But in the world outside, it is also renewed. Now you can see that the education system is completely changing. And according to my opinion, it's not my own deduction of the observing of facts and my own beliefs and opinion, that the present system will continue to be there, which are started new. That's Sanskrit, everybody studying, and work-based studies. It will continue for about 40, 50 years. So the people will completely be changed, and the world will be completely changed according to this new knowledge. The new knowledge given to them creates new life. So there will be some stable thing, and all the false beliefs, artificial things which are made to continue for so long, and so many obstructions, faults will be corrected, and the world reset has already started. And as you see, according to today's and yesterday's calculations, about 10,000 people are dying every day now. It's increasing. So you see 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs deaths all over the world. India is about 10% of that. About this may change. So nothing will remain same. It will change continuously. So we should know this is a fact. All tourism, all travel, all unnecessary big buildings, all big businesses crowding of people. This is not possible for about 1 or 2 centuries from now. So the languages English may disappear, and the people's world may shrink. That is what is going to happen. We should be prepared for that. Have a good day.